girls. Stop that. All right. I'm just gonna show them this. Get down. Hey. Okay. This. That's just paper behind it, but it kind of looks cool. Anyways, this is an old, like, radio stand. And that's the brand. Wants me to leave that on there. I just need to touch it up. But, you see, I gotta put the electronics in it. This is what it looks like from the other side. You see this? Feeling I gotta, like, glue that back. Hey, would you two stop? Rose. Quit. I know. Stop. Put you in your pen. You wanna go in your pen? Yeah. That's what I thought. I don't know why my camera wasn't focusing. Good girl. They honestly don't care whether I'm later or not. What? Silly. Alright. So then I'm gonna sand this top part. See what that does. I'm gonna take like hand sand some of this off. And be careful right here, because I don't want to get rid of this part. Everywhere else should be okay for the most part. And we'll go from there. I think this is better. If you can see me. Hey Roxy, what you doing? Roxy's behind the camera. What is it? Come here. Come here. Come here. She don't wanna come here. What? Okay. I bought the fine sanding sponge and the coarse fine. It came in a pack of 2. And I'm just going over the top that I already sanded with the fine, and then the little, like, down in these ridges and stuff, I'm using this coarse one and see what that does. And pretty much gonna go from there, but yeah. I actually forgot to mention that I think I'm gonna take this part off. I'm gonna see if I can take it off with this. I might need to get a smaller screwdriver, but I'm gonna move the camera so you can see. Yeah, this is definitely too big of a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Alright, figured the problem. I should have used a smaller screwdriver. Even though I probably could have gotten it with the other one. But they're just so clogged up right now that it made things harder. Sorry, I'm blocking the video. Here we go. It's pretty dirty. This is plastic. I think. Feels like plastic to me, so. And this is just paper behind it. Okay, set up the camera. Here's the girls chilling on the ATV where I had the camera sitting. What? What is it, Roxy? This is Roxy. This is Rosie. Rosie Posey. She's the mama. And this is the baby. She's the baby, you can tell. Right, Rox? You can tell. She loves to crawl, so there she is. Anyways. Alright, I'm gonna be working on this. I just got back from work actually, so I'm dirty from work, but I have a lot to do on my furniture. So, also, my boss told me that I can sell my chairs. Over there, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna be making a lot more chairs for my channel, but I have this project to do first for a guy, the guy that I did the chairs for, the other 5 that I did. So I will be doing that, and hopefully this shouldn't take too long. The only problem that I have with it is I gotta get it working, and there's no knobs. It didn't come with anything. It was just empty. So I had to find the parts, but I have been looking, and I'm not so sure I'm gonna be able to find them. So it might just be a Bluetooth speaker that I hook up and make it look like it's a radio sort of thing. Anyways, I'll get started.